quick video on how to replace a reversing light and fog light in a Mini Cooper R53 or whatever, or reversing light failure. Also appears on there. What I've already done is taken it out to show you that this is the inside of the bulb holder that's come out the back, and as you can see, it's in an absolutely terrible condition, and I'm not in any way surprised that it's failed. So I've been to the main steeler and bought a new one. Quite clear the difference. I don't know if that's just that rubber gasket failed over time. Also picked up 2 new bulbs which are not included with that, which is brilliant because this costs about 16 quid and these are about 7 quid each, which is absolute daylight robbery. This is what the back of the Mini looks like. It's actually a 2010, 2011 I think, convertible, but I suspect it's probably more the fact that it's got this body kit on it, where the actual reversing light and fog lights are in the bumper. There's the clip. Hopefully that's okay. It's as simple as that. Let's do the other side, which I'm hoping is the same. This where you start is these 4 clips here. Just push it slightly because you've got the same on the top, and then eventually it will pop out. Try and remember. Yeah. It's squidgy on one side. Now the amount of water that is pissing out of this, I think we're going to find it's the same.